Friends, in today's tutorial, I will show you how to replace the combo screen for Oppo A37F. As you guys can see, the left side of the screen has been shattered, and there is a missing back panel. Back panel removal can be seen in one of my previous videos. I will link down previous video in description. I will also link the tools in description. First I will unscrew the battery clip. Then we'll unlock the upper plastic covering. Then the speaker at the bottom. Now I will remove the clip. Then I will remove the battery. Then 12 megapixel rear camera. And then 2 Phillips head screws. Then I will remove the feather touch ribbon cable of the combo screen. And then we'll remove the motherboard and unsnap the ribbon cable behind. Then I will remove the volume rocker ribbon cable from the frame, but the same has to be removed gently as these are made from plastics. I will try to remove the ribbon cable with the help of plastic and a forceps. And finally a little push to the charging port, which gives us the volume rocker and charging port ribbon cable. And we are out of old frame. Now on the new frame, I have already installed the power button and the signal cable beneath that, and the battery sticker on the new frame, as you guys can see. Now I will install the volume rocker and charging port ribbon cable back to the new frame just the way it was in old frame. And the volume buttons to the side, just the way it was in old frame. Now I will adjust the signal cable, and I will attach to the ribbon cable, just the way it was in old frame. Now we'll place back the battery and stick back to the sticker, and we'll open the battery sideways just like a book. To install the motherboard first, I will place back ribbon cable. Then we'll place the motherboard. And then goes the battery. And then the feather touch ribbon cable. Then goes the speaker. Then goes the camera. Then the signal cable, then the screen ribbon cable. And lastly the battery. Then the upper plastic covering. And then goes the steel covering and 2 Phillips head screws, following all the screws back to its place. I will try to turn on the handset, and yes, the new screen is working. And we'll check both the cameras. And it seems everything is placed fine. And finally we'll place back the back panel. I will link down every replaceable parts in the description. Also, my mic has broken, so I am using the software for the voiceover. If you like this video, please like, comment and please subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe. I will meet you guys in my next video.